Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Ford Focus 2012, and this one comes with the standard factory radio, CD player and very small screen on the top. At this moment it is upgraded with the full 9-inch full package and wireless Apple CarPlay, which you see the screen on the on the screen here, wireless CarPlay connected, and USB CarPlay, wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto, and with the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. It took a bit of time to fit it nicely everywhere, and actually, yeah, you know, it still keep using the factory part over here as well. So yep, all the thing factory looking very nice, and we fit into USB port, and also here you can see how the reverse camera is working, and it's very easy, very straightforward, and super detailed, super clear reverse camera that fit nicely at the back tailgate. So yep, that's about the system, and 9-inch touchscreen for Ford Focus 2012. So yep, thanks again for watching this one, and yep, see you on another one.